spilled my milk across the floor, dropped some rice and a little more. Mommy gasped and smiled and said, grab a cloth, let's clean instead. Oops, I made a mess again. That's okay, I'll try, my friend. Wipe it up, pick it tight. Little by little I'll get it right. I squished my snack all over the floor and drew on walls with a purple roar. Daddy came with a little broom. He said, let's fix this messy room. Oops, I